Along the harbor's edge he stands so still. The sea below moves at its will. A lifetime spent on open waves, through storms survived and paths he paved. Now from the shore he quietly sees the ships that glide with gentle ease, some heading out to unknown lands, some drifting home to waiting sands. He feels the echoes of years gone by, the roaring winds, the vast blue sky. But in his heart there's peace at last, a gentle turning from the past. Watching the harbor ebb and flow, he finds the calm he used to know, a quiet wisdom, soft and deep, the kind the ocean lets him keep. No need to chase the distant line, he's learned to let the world unwind. In every ship that sails away, he sees the man he was one day. A harbor of quiet wisdom near, where life moves on yet feels so clear. He stands and breathes the salted air, knowing the sea still holds him